Hi friends, today I'm playing a fun game with apples. Can you say apple? Apple. Let's warm up our fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, like little apple stems. Nice job. First game, colors, point to red, now point to green, and to yellow. Yay! Counting time. Let's count apples together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap 5 times. Clap, 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 clap. Shape check. An apple is round like a circle. When a grown-up slices it, the middle can look like a little star where the seeds live. Can you make a star with your fingers? Twinkle, twinkle, sound time. A is for apple. A says ah, like apple. Can you say A? Great. Let's play tap and count. Gently tap your knees as we count to 3. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap. Amazing. Roll and stop game. If you have a soft toy apple or a ball, roll it slowly. And stop. Roll and stop. Good listening. Big and small. Show me big arms, big apple. Now tiny fingers, small apple, big, small.